My first time playing 2-5.
Ooh.
Let's raise it up. The low jack is in. The button calls, and the big blind wants to play. 4 ways to a flop comes king 10-8 with 2 spades. That's pretty nice. The big blind checks. I fire out 55. The low jack makes a quick call. The button doesn't like his cards. The big blind likes his. 3 ways to a turn is the jack of diamonds. The big blind checks quickly. Bet 175. The low jack tanks shortly before folding. The big blind comes along. Heads up to a river is the queen of spades. The big blind checks a 3rd time. My opponent has under a pot-sized bet behind. I think there's only one thing left for me to do. I'm all in. Praying the big blind has an ace. The big blind folds after tanking for over a minute. After the hand, he tells me he had queen jack for an open-ender turn 2 pair. I love 2-5.